Elon Musk is known for making bold moves, but his latest gamble could be his biggest yet. He's betting heavily on artificial intelligence, and Nvidia just handed him the keys to winning big. Tesla is pushing hard into AI, from self-driving cars to their humanoid robots. But AI needs massive computing power, and that's where Nvidia comes in. Let's dive into the H100 chip, the reason for Tesla's excitement. This chip is a game changer for artificial intelligence. It's engineered from the ground up to handle the massive amounts of data and intricate calculations that make AI function. Think of it as the fuel that powers AI's rapid learning and problem-solving abilities. Why is this crucial for Tesla? They're betting big on AI innovation and reportedly plan to install a staggering 85,000 of these H100 chips. That's like arming their AI systems with a team of brilliant engineers, accelerating progress significantly. What does this mean for the future? Imagine self-driving cars that adapt to complex situations in a flash, robots that demonstrate impressive new skills, and perhaps even the long-awaited Dojo supercomputer finally becoming a reality. The H100 chip has the potential to transform Tesla's entire AI landscape. This Tesla and Nvidia partnership isn't just about cutting-edge tech, it's about strategic positioning in the AI race. The tech world is hungry for AI breakthroughs, and companies like Google and Amazon also rely heavily on powerful chips. By securing such a massive supply of H100 chips, Tesla is giving themselves a significant advantage. They're equipping themselves with the same powerful tools as the biggest players in the field, signaling their intent to become a major force in AI development. This move could shake up the industry. We might see Tesla leapfrog ahead in self-driving technology or introduce remarkably advanced robots. It sends a clear message that they're in this AI game to win, and competitors will undoubtedly be watching closely, potentially sparking an even more intense race for AI dominance. Okay, now let's factor in the Musk effect. You know Elon Musk, right? He's the guy who loves pushing boundaries and taking risks. This whole Nvidia move fits his style perfectly. It's bold and ambitious. Remember, he even poked fun at Nvidia recently when their stock took a little dip. That shows he's paying close attention to the competition and is confident in the bet he's making on AI. He's not afraid to go all in. So, will it pay off? That's the big question everyone's asking. Does this put Tesla miles ahead of the competition in AI? Only time will tell. But with Elon Musk at the wheel, you know it's going to be an interesting ride. Hold on. It turns out Tesla wasn't just planning their AI revolution. They've already begun. They're reportedly sitting on a stockpile of 35,000 H100 chips. That's a massive amount of AI firepower ready to be deployed. This reveals that Tesla isn't just dipping their toes into AI. They're making a bold move. With this kind of head start, who knows what they're already developing behind the scenes? Perhaps their self-driving cars are evolving at lightning speed, or their robots are secretly learning skills that will leave us amazed. The bottom line, Tesla is serious about this AI game. They're not just experimenting, they're aiming for next-level innovation, and those chips are their key weapon in this race. Let's talk about the enigmatic Dojo supercomputer, a project that has the tech world buzzing. This could be where those Nvidia chips truly shine. Imagine Dojo as a giant AI training ground, designed to push other AI models to new heights. It's a massive undertaking, and one with huge potential for the industry. To build a supercomputer like Dojo, you need immense processing power. That's where those 85,000 Nvidia chips could become the backbone, providing the computational muscle to handle the most complex AI training tasks. If Dojo becomes operational, the possibilities are thrilling. Tesla could train their self-driving cars at unprecedented speeds, or develop robots with capabilities that defy our expectations. It could be the key to unlocking a whole new era of AI innovation, not just for Tesla, but for the entire field. What do you think? Is this a genius move by Musk, or a risky gamble? Let's talk about it in the comments, and if you want more breakdowns on Tesla, AI, and all things Elon Musk, hit that subscribe button.